Good afternoon, folks. This is Phil with Jim's Motors, Cuba, Missouri. We're going to take a peek out here today. It's 2018 Big Tex 18+2. It's 18 foot on the floor, 2 foot on the dove. A treated floor. We've ordered this one with mega ramps that fold down across the back of the trailer. They're spring assisted, easy to lift up and down. You can also stand them straight up if need be. That's how they look when they're down. Here's how they look when the ramps is folded up. You got two 7,000-pound Dexter axles, removable fenders, rub rail, one heavy-duty dolly leg there in the center, adjustable hitch, breakaway and battery. For more information on this trailer, give us a call here at Jim's Motors, Cuba, Missouri. Thank you and have a great day.